peach cobbler, for me, it's the ultimate summer dessert. Sweet and juicy peaches inside a soft and crumbly cake with a crispy top, and of course, you need to eat this with vanilla ice cream. And we're going to make this with a cake mix. I know that's not the traditional way of making peach cobbler, but trust me, it's so easy and the result is so delicious. So the first thing to do, preheat the oven at 350. And now here I have already the peaches ready. I cut in wedges 6 peaches. And I'm going to add some flavor with half lemon zest, then also half of the lemon juice. I'm also going to add half cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This always gets stuck. And I'm going to mix now this with a lot of care, because the peaches are very ripe, at least the ones that I have, until everything is properly mixed. You can peel the peaches if you prefer. I just like to leave them like this because I don't mind the skin and they also give a beautiful contrast of color. Here I have a 13x9 pan that I have buttered, and now I'm going to dump all the peaches that I just mixed, except for a few that I will leave for the top. I would like to put all the juice in and just leave the pieces that I want on top. What I'm doing now is even them out so that they are in one single layer. Here I have a box of vanilla cake mix, and now I'm going to spread it all over the peaches. This is kind of like a dump cake mixed with a peach cobbler, and it's so delicious. You really need to try it. This needs to become your summer dessert. Now I just like to even it out with my hands a bit to make sure that everything is even and in one single layer. And now I'm going to put room temperature butter on top of this, covering all the surface. It's so hot that my butter is beyond room temperature. And now I'm going to finish it with the pieces of peaches that I have left before. This is totally optional, but this is what's going to make the cake look beautiful, because otherwise, peach cobbler is not the most beautiful thing to look at. And now, just for good measure, a bit more butter. This is so that they don't dry up in the oven so much. And something that I'm going to add on top, because I like it a lot, it's cinnamon with brown sugar. For me, it goes great with peaches. So I'm just gonna mix this with my hands. This is going to take this to the next level. Now I'm going to take this in the oven for more or less 1 hour. I'm going to go by the look more than anything until it's golden brown. And you have 1 hour more or less time to go and buy vanilla ice cream, because it's mandatory with this. In it goes! So this beauty has been in the oven for 50 minutes, and look at this. It looks amazing. The smell is unbelievable here. Now I'm gonna let it cool for a few minutes until I can eat it. This is amazing.